In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download PC Bible app free. We will walk through the full process together so you can start using the Bible app on your computer without any confusion. First, open your web browser. Any modern browser works fine, such as Chrome, Edge, or Firefox. Take a second to maximize the window so the layout matches what you see on screen in this tutorial. Now go to the YouVersion Bible app website. In the address bar, type YouVersion Bible app and press enter. On the results page, look for the official YouVersion Bible site, usually the first result with the familiar colorful Bible icon. Then click it to open the home page. Once you are on the YouVersion site, click Download the Bible app. This button is usually easy to spot near the top area of the page. When you click it, the site switches to a download page showing several device options, often with icons for phones, tablets, and computers. From there, select Windows if available, or choose Read the Bible Online to use it in your browser. If you see a Windows option, that is for installing a dedicated app on your PC. If Windows is not shown, the Read the Bible Online option opens the full Bible experience right in your browser tab without any download. If a Windows installer is provided, download and run it. When you click the Windows button, your browser might ask you to confirm the download at the bottom or top of the window. After the file finishes downloading, click the file name once to launch the installer, and if Windows asks whether you want to allow this app to make changes, choose Yes so the setup can continue. Next up, follow the installation prompts. A setup window appears, often with a welcome screen and a next button. Click through each screen, accepting the license terms if prompted, and keep the default install location unless you have a specific folder in mind. When you reach the final screen, click Install or Finish, and wait a moment while the files are copied to your computer. With that ready, open the Bible app after installation. You can usually do this right from the last installer screen with a checkbox to launch the app, or by finding the new Bible icon on your desktop or in your Start menu. When it opens, you should see the main Bible reading interface with menus for Home, Bible, Plans, and other features, which means the app is ready to use. At this point, sign in or create a free account optional to sync your notes, bookmarks, and reading plans. Look for the Sign in or Create Account option in the top corner of the app window. If you already use YouVersion on your phone, sign in with the same email so your highlights, completed plans, and bookmarks appear automatically on your PC. If you are new, create a free account in a few short steps, and from now on your reading progress will follow you across all your devices. You have now downloaded and set up the free YouVersion Bible experience on your PC, ready for reading, notes, and study anytime. If this helped you get the Bible running on your computer, a quick thumbs up goes a long way, and feel free to subscribe for more simple tech walkthroughs like this.